law professor explains why McCabe's response to firing just made Torpedo Comey and Mueller. Former FBI Deputy Director Andrew McCabe was fired late Friday night and wasted no time trying to defend himself. He claimed that he was being fired in order to single him out and impugn the probe by Special Counsel Robert Mueller. But Jonathan Turley, professor of law at George Washington University Law School, explains why McCabe, in his own defense, may have just made things more difficult for both Mueller and former FBI Director James Comey. From Biz Pac Review. In an op-ed run Saturday by The Hill, Turley pointed to a line in McCabe's statement criticizing his termination that could be viewed as incriminating fired FBI Director James Comey, not just in leaking sensitive information but also in lying to Congress. McCabe commented on leaking information to a former Wall Street Journal reporter about the investigation of Hillary Clinton and the Clinton Foundation, saying he was authorized to share the information and did so with the knowledge of the director, which would have been Comey at the time. Turley explained why this is problematic. If the interaction means leaking the information, then McCabe's statement would seem to directly contradict statements Comey made in a May 2017 congressional hearing. Asked if he had ever been an anonymous source in news reports about matters relating to the Trump investigation or the Clinton investigation or whether he had ever authorized someone else at the FBI to be an anonymous source in news reports about the Trump investigation or the Clinton investigation, Comey replied never and no. Oops. So effectively that would appear to indicate that Comey was lying to Congress. And that of course if under oath could subject Comey to a perjury charge. Comey already has serious questions because he leaked to the NY Times through his law professor friend and Congress is looking at whether he leaked classified information. If this comment by McCabe is true, not only did he leak but he just exposed that he lied as well, Turley notes. Turley also explained how the apparent misconduct of both McCabe and Comey could make things tougher for Mueller because it shows the unprincipled FBI investigation that Trump has been claiming against him. Plus, Turley observed that if nothing is done about McCabe apart from firing, that could give Trump an excuse to say that Mike Flynn should be pardoned if McCabe is not prosecuted for lying to the FBI. What do you think about this comment below?